In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Slack 2025, whether you're traveling, have recently moved, or just need to coordinate with colleagues in different time zones. Adjusting your Slack time zone is a simple yet crucial task to ensure your messages and alerts are accurately timed. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to make this change seamlessly. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the Slack interface. Once you're there, look towards the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon to get started. By accessing your profile settings, you're opening the door to customize and control different aspects of how Slack displays information and interacts with your system settings. After clicking on your profile, a menu will appear with a list of options. From this list, select Preferences. This section acts as the control center for your Slack interface, allowing you to tweak settings to better suit your needs. Delving into Preferences provides you with options pertaining to notifications, themes, language settings, and, crucially, your region and time zone settings. Next, in the Preferences window, you'll want to navigate to the Language and Region section. This is where you can manage all settings related to language preferences and regional settings like time zones. Selecting this option will guide you to a new window focusing specifically on these elements. Make sure to take your time here and ensure everything is set just how you need it, especially if you frequently work with teams spread across different regions. Once you've reached the language and region settings, locate the option that says Set Time Zone Automatically. By default, this option might be checked to automatically detect your time zone based on your device's settings. To manually change your time zone, you will need to uncheck this box. This action allows you to take control of setting the time zone that best fits your schedule, particularly useful if your device is set to a different zone than you'd like Slack to display, or if automatic settings aren't detecting correctly. Now, with the automatic setting unchecked, it's time to scroll through the list and manually select your preferred time zone from the options available. Slack offers a comprehensive list of time zones, so you should find the one you're looking for with ease. Simply scroll through and choose the appropriate time zone that matches your current location or the location you're coordinating with. By following these steps, you'll have successfully changed your time zone in Slack 2025, ensuring that all your messages, reminders, and notifications are synchronized perfectly with the correct local time. Remember, being accurately aligned with your intended time zone can significantly impact productivity and communication, especially when collaborating across different